Hi Eric, good morning. I thought of making a video and my share my experience with many of the people like me who want to start trading and then make have successful be a successful trader. When I first time introduced with yourself, I was surprised to know what I have learned till now from various sources, including some so-called trainers in India. I realized that what I have learned is not worth of. Then we have started our training almost the first of Jan, and believe me, it was a fantastic experience and journey with you for 6 months of hand holding what you did for me. And today I stand a very successful trader. In fact, the I have been awarded by the the largest trading house in India as a successful trader for months. I'd like to thank you, and also this particular video I'm making so that people might get motivated and they should not waste their energy and resources by doing some training which is not worth of. The way you have described me what is how to use RSA and MACD and and the benefits of the various timelines, the use of small time frame, and how to use a small time frame, how to use a large time frame. So it's basically fantastic use. I'm using very effectively. So after 1 year, I can definitely say that whatever I have learned is very much useful for to me, and I'm successfully making lot of good trades, and my net worth is almost from last 1 year almost 120% up, which I have been trading with. So this is giving me the confidence that probably I am ready for the retirement at the age of 45, and to take a you know next full-time trading job. This is because being in software industry for many years. It's not that I'm tired of I'm fear of the software industry, but then I'd like to do something different than what I'm doing for years. And this is the one field where lucrative, because it gives us the ability to do more, to earn more, and then support the family, as well as get more time to do the other activities. To look at the self. For years and years, I've been running for the organizations to do well, and then uh, this is the time to look at myself and the family to make them successful, and like to thank all of you of my family, so you and your good health, that you will be definitely helpful to the people like me, many people like me, in fact, to do something after retirement